On this special day, I would like to wish all our wonderful doctors a very happy Doctors' Day. You all have proved to be real heroes, especially in these dark times. May God bless you all and may you continue to shine your light wherever you go. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for saving others' life by putting your own life at risk. Once again, I, on behalf of Sindhi Education Institutions, management, teachers, students, wish you a very happy Doctors' Day.
Namaste to one and all. Compassion, love, affection, and care are the innate qualities which make a human. Google came up with a doodle to honor the medical community for their selfless service. So we here at Sindhi Model Senior Secondary School thought it is but appropriate to honor the doctors and the support staff who are the warriors and fighting this disease on the front lines and are putting their lives at risk to keep us safe. When people are at homes in an attempt to contain this virus, hats off to the doctors and medical staff who are leading this battle against this COVID from the front. They are our heroes in these challenging times. That's why it is rightly said, doctors are God in human form. As educators, we at Sindhi Model School are constantly striving to impart not only knowledge but also value education, which helps us to provide a roadmap to guide our children and youth to live a life based on moral principles. Doctors are the true role models for our children. I congratulate all the students for the wonderful tributes which they are going to offer to our doctors. Finally, I would like to wish a happy Doctors' Day to the doctors and wish them a long and healthy life so that they can continue to give selfless service to the society. A big salute to all the doctors of the globe. Jai Hind.
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्त्रये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्व आमय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्रीमहाविष्णवे नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्त्रये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्व आमय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्रीमहाविष्णवे नमः। श्रीमहाविष्णवे नमः। नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्त्रये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्व आमय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्रीमहाविष्णवे नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्त्रये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्व आमय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्रीमहाविष्णवे नमः। श्रीमहाविष्णवे नमः।
Sai of Sindhi Model Senior Secondary School. Friends, we should stay at home. Friends, we should keep social distancing, which helps the doctors to take rest. They are also very tired, so keep this in mind. And we should stay at home. Thank you, doctors, and thank you, health workers.
Tribute to doctors. A doctor has a special call. He or she must minister to all. The oath he makes to do no harm to those he takes.
His studies does not end there. New methods come up everywhere. Much time is put in every day to meet the demands that come his way.
To be a friend to all is no small task. In all he does, he must come last. It is complete dedication to his duty, responsibility to his patients asked.
Late hours, long days are his plight. Compassion and love are his life. To God he answers for decisions based on knowledge and consideration.
Namaste, doctors. On behalf of our SMS family, I would like to offer my heartfelt thanks to you all. You march into the hospital every single day while we stay at home. We take this time to thank you for your wonderful services. You are the real heroes. We salute you and show our gratitude by staying at home and maintaining social distance. Happy Doctor's Day! Jai Hind!
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे
एक तेरा नाम है साचा मन मेरी आने पाचा बस नाम तेरा माँ हो एक पहचान मेरी तू ही जिंद जान मेरी तू ही जहान मेरा माँ
हो तुझ पे वार ना 100 वारी जान मैं तुझ पे वार ना 100 वारी जान में तेरे कुर्बान मेरी माँ यारों के दिल में हो ठिकाना एक बार होता है प्यार ये लाख बार कहला ले कहते हैं हम
दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
Hello everyone, we are students of the Sindhi Model Senior Secondary School. As we know, our world is suffering from the COVID nightmare, but there are some people who are fighting for our lives. I am talking about the frontline doctors, and this video is a tribute to their bravery.
Your presence is a beacon of light and hope, a powerful vibe that reassures us that we are being taken care of. Words can't express our gratitude. Countless thanks to the entire medical fraternity for working day in.
Hope. We thank you for working tirelessly to provide the essential care to the community and for faltering in the face of crisis and standing strong for the organization.
Thank you so much for the difference you make in the life of your patients. Your sincere care and effort makes a difference. You are a great encouragement.
Waiting for the news, let's spare time for the medical fraternity who are risking their lives away from their family to save us. Thank you, we will never be able to repay you.
God cannot be everywhere, so He sent doctors to take care of humanity. Your excellence and selflessness that go above and beyond what your duty requires is why we take our hats off for you.
This day, your compassion and kindness towards humanity does not go unnoticed. We thank and appreciate all the doctors and nurses as our frontline heroes. We wish you a very content Doctor's Day. Thank you so much once again.
What you're doing is inspiring. You are courageous and resilient. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Please stay safe and know that everyone is thinking of you. Thank you for waking up every day and continually choosing to fight.
Only great human beings can put their service first. You may be bridled with responsibilities, but you serve with utmost dedication. No work is greater than yours. Thank you for all that you do.
To all our healthcare providers, thank you for caring, for pressing on, and for committing yourselves to health, for showing the patients that they matter today and every day. You are amazing. Thank you for your unwavering commitment to healing.
Namaste. I am Jia Kumari from class 2D, Sindhi Model Senior Secondary School. I wish all the doctors a very happy Doctor's Day. I thank all the doctors from the bottom of my heart for this hard work at this testing time. Each and every patient has recovered from corona and gone home. That's because of you. My friends will like to join with me and wish you.
Thank you, doctors.
Thank you, doctors.
Hi, doctors. Thank you for your continuous service. We have more reasons to smile because of you. Thank you. Happy Doctor's Day.
Doctors and nurses, you see the real God in you. Thank you very much for the selfless service to humanity. Hopefully, you can get to relax soon.
Thank you, doctors.
In this current pandemic situation, I thank all the doctors for their selfless service to the nation.
Today, I, Surya Raj, on behalf of my school, family and my friends, would like to salute these noble brave heroes. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Priyanka. I'm taking this opportunity to thank all the doctors and nurses around the world for their selfless service to the humanity during this pandemic. Thank you.
Happy Doctor's Day.
Thank you for working so hard for us.
Thank you, doctors.
Thank you for working on your knees off during this pandemic. Your dedication, commitment, and courage deserve our deepest gratitude and admiration. Your service to patients is in risking your lives, saving millions of people, and making thousands of differences. Thank you.
Namaste. On behalf of Sindhi Model Senior Secondary School, I express my sincere appreciation for those who have contributed in making this Doctor's Day celebration a huge success by supporting and guiding us. At the outset, a heartfelt sincere thanks to our management members for their guidance and encouragement. The timeless inspiration and support that they have given us has helped us through this journey. I am extremely grateful to all our teaching faculty who even at a very short notice have done a tremendous job. Thank you teachers for your valuable time and cooperation which has made this celebration possible. I would also like to thank the students for their contribution. The energy and interest you showed was extraordinary. I want to thank every single one of you for your participation and time. You all made this celebration more colorful. Our sincere thanks to our school parents for the effort you have taken. Humanity is not about maintaining a gracious relationship between one another in the society, but it is about building a bond among the society with the help of sustainable values. We at Sindhi Model School emphasize on human values, models, and teach our students that when peace and harmony becomes the main cause of every kind of service rendered to the nation and its people, it becomes service to God. We help children to cultivate good habits and good qualities and reach good position in life. Hence, we thought it is appropriate to teach our children to thank our healthcare workers who are on the front line battling the novel coronavirus. Thank you doctors and all medical fraternity from everyone at Sindhi Model School for your dedication and commitment. You deserve our deepest gratitude and admiration. We hope the experience was as enjoyable for you as it was for us hosting this wonderful event. Thank you. God bless.